Stop guessing on YouTube. Build like a strategist. The hidden cost of guessing. If you are over 50 and building a YouTube channel, there is a quiet frustration you probably haven't voiced. You are working, you are thinking, you are showing up. And yet, the results feel random. One video gets 143 views, another gets 19, a third does okay. You can't quite see the pattern. So you begin to wonder, is it the algorithm? Is it my age? Is YouTube saturated? Am I too late? No, the issue is simpler and more uncomfortable. You are operating without measurable feedback. Most creators do not have a system. They have effort. They choose topics based on instinct. They write titles based on what sounds good. They design thumbnails based on preference. They upload. They hope. Hope is not a strategy. And hope becomes exhausting when you are 50 plus and value your time. At this stage of life, you do not want chaos. You want clarity. You want intelligent progress. You want to know that the hours you invest have leverage. Here is the brutal truth. YouTube does not reward effort. It rewards alignment. Alignment between what people search for, what they click, what they watch, what they return for. If you cannot measure those elements, you are not building a channel. You are experimenting blindly, and blind experimentation is expensive, not in money, but in motivation. The emotional cost is the real danger, because once doubt creeps in, consistency disappears. So, the real problem is not growth. The real problem is uncertainty. Hi there. My name is Bob, and our channel On Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50 plus to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for you to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others, where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. Our videos reveal proven strategies to build your channel and make real money, not just from YouTube ads, but through affiliate programs, AI-driven tools, and automation systems that can turn simple content into consistent income. See links in our video. Comments to learn how. If you're serious about mastering AI for YouTube growth, staying ahead of the latest tech trends, and transforming your channel into a profitable business, this is where you belong. But hold on. Later on in this video, we are going to introduce you to a tool which can redirect all of your shorts to your latest video. The flood method, a powerful growth strategy inspired by a former YouTube employee and used by creators like Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, YouTube's biggest earner, does this every time he uploads a new video. It's a game-changing tactic that connects your shorts to your long-form videos in a way that drives massive watch time and accelerates your monetization goals. From random uploads to engineered growth, let us approach this differently. Imagine you were not a hopeful creator. Imagine you were an operator, a builder, a strategist. What would change? You would not start with recording. You would start with validation. You would not ask, what do I feel like talking about? You would ask, what is already being searched? This single shift changes everything. And this is where TubeBuddy becomes relevant, not as a magic growth button, but as a measuring instrument. Tools do not create success. They create visibility. They show you what is actually happening, and clarity reduces emotional volatility. Layer 1, the pre-recording advantage. Most YouTube mistakes happen before the camera is even turned on. Creators invest 2 hours recording, 3 hours editing, another hour designing a thumbnail, only to discover there was no demand for the topic. That is not failure. That is lack of validation. Inside TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer, you can evaluate search volume, competition strength, overall opportunity score. Now, pause. This is not about chasing trends. It is about intelligent positioning. If you see that a topic has moderate search volume, low competition, you have leverage. You are no longer shouting into a crowded stadium. You are speaking in a room that is already listening. For the over 50 creator, this matters deeply. Because you are not trying to go viral, you are trying to build steadily. Steady beats explosive. Measured beats chaotic. Layer 2. Titles are strategic assets. YouTube is not a diary. It is a search engine with an emotional layer. A weak title does not fail because the content is bad. It fails because it is invisible. With structured title evaluation, you can test keyword placement and density, length, ranking potential. This transforms the creative process. Instead of asking, "Do I like this title?" you ask, "Will this title compete?" Ogilvy once said that, on average, 5 times as many people read the headline as read the body copy. On YouTube, the title and thumbnail are your headline. If they fail, nothing else matters. Layer 3, thumbnail psychology. Let's speak plainly. Most thumbnails are designed for the creator's taste, not the viewer's curiosity. And curiosity is measurable. TubeBuddy's A/B testing allows you to rotate thumbnails and measure click-through rate differences over time, not guesses. Data. If version B increases click-through rate by 2 to 3%, that compounds across every impression. Imagine 10,000 impressions. A 2% lift equals 200 additional viewers. Now multiply that across 50 videos. This is not cosmetic optimization. This is strategic multiplication. Small percentage gains create disproportionate long-term impact. This is how mature builders think, not emotionally, mathematically. Layer 4, algorithm alignment. Many creators speak about beating the algorithm. That is juvenile thinking. The algorithm is not your enemy. It is a sorting mechanism. It rewards clarity. When your title, description, tags all reinforce the same topic cluster, you reduce ambiguity. Ambiguity kills reach. Clarity expands it. TubeBuddy helps you see whether your metadata is aligned. Again, not magic. Measurement. Layer 5. Efficiency equals longevity. There is something rarely discussed in YouTube education: energy management. If your workflow is chaotic, you burn out. If updating 100 video descriptions requires manual edits, you delay improvement. Bulk tools allow updating links across videos, adjusting descriptions at scale, managing end screens efficiently. This reduces friction, and friction is the silent killer of consistency. You are not 22. You do not have unlimited energy. You need sustainable systems. Systems protect momentum. The psychological shift. Now we arrive at the most important layer. When you operate without feedback, you feel exposed. When you operate with data, you feel composed. The emotional difference is enormous. Instead of thinking, "This isn't working," you think, "Let me examine the metrics." That is an adult response. Control replaces confusion. Structure replaces anxiety. And creativity thrives in structured environments. You remember earlier when we said that we would introduce you to the flood method, a powerful growth strategy inspired by a former YouTube employee and used by creators like Mr. Beast. There is a video which can be accessed via a link in the description below under TubeBuddy. Click on that link to access all of the information you need to find it. Calm authority wins the long game. If you are over 50, your advantage is not speed, it is perspective. You understand patience. You understand compounding. You understand that intelligent systems outperform emotional bursts. YouTube does not require youth. It requires alignment. And alignment is measurable. Tools like TubeBuddy do not create authority. They support it. They do not replace storytelling. They enhance positioning. They do not guarantee growth. They remove unnecessary blindness. And blindness is the true risk. Before you upload your next video, pause. Ask yourself, am I hoping or am I engineering? Hope feels exciting. Engineering feels calm. Calm builders outlast emotional sprinters. If you build with validated topics, competitive titles, tested thumbnails, aligned metadata, efficient workflows, you are no longer guessing, you are constructing. And construction always beats chance. You are not too late. You are not technologically incapable. You simply need structure, and structure always rewards the disciplined. Build deliberately. Measure honestly, improve steadily. That is how channels grow, not in bursts but in layers. And layered growth is sustainable growth.